Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Parts are in the dehydrator for our Tiny Lund Pepsi Camaro for the USAC group build. So while that's in the dehydrator, I got some mail today, so I want to give a shop card shout out. And I was just looking in the case at the 40 modified that we just finished up. And while parts are drying, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna put together a plan. So I want to share with you what I'm thinking about for probably next year's short track group build. But I want to get your opinion too, so let's do it.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
First up, guys, got a shop card shout out. This is from Lance over at Rides and Rods Model Cars. This is just a cool card. Check that out. I wonder if he's a 3 fan like myself. But really, really cool card. And he is on YouTube and Facebook. And let's continue to grow this community, and we'll do it one channel at a time if we have to. But head over, check out the channel, give him a sub, show him some love there. This community just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and I love it. I love it. And Lance, I want to thank you for the card and for the kind words. That was creative. I like that. But really cool card. If you want to get one, there is the email address so you can get yourself a card from Lance. And we also got a really cool Rides and Rods Model Cars sticker. So we got something for the workbench there too. Okay, Lance, appreciate you, buddy. Keep up the great work. Keep them coming. As I mentioned in the opening, I was looking at the 40 modified that we just finished up. And you know, last week, Dan sent us that awesome combo kit that had the matching truck trailer for that. And in that box was a 1936 Plymouth early modified that's in that same series with the Tobias chassis, all that stuff from there. And if you recall, since this was out of box, I was kind of whining a little bit. I wasn't complaining because I chose to do it out of box, but I was kind of whining a little bit about, boy, that thing sure could use some detail. And I started thinking about this 36 Plymouth this afternoon. I thought, you know what, I think I could do something for that. And I went through the instructions as you see here, and they're pretty much, honestly, this is the same engine that's in the 40. And the two-piece tires turned out so well, I'm probably going to go ahead and do them again. Unless something else comes up, I don't know. But I want to do a detail build on this, especially stuff that can be seen like that open engine area there. Same chassis. Pretty much everything else is exactly the same, and I've got a familiarization with it. The firewall and, of course, this inner panel here are made to fit that, and this one actually shows how to hack up the body a little bit, hog out the windows a little bit like those old ones would be. And I may do that with this one, and I may not, but I definitely want to detail that engine out. And there'll probably be some other little doodads here and there too, but I think it'll look really, really good. But I was thinking about that and telling my buddy Larry Corbin about it, and Larry mentioned, hey, you know, back in the late 60s, they were running those things with Hemis. And I thought, oh my, he's got a point. Instead of this kind of generic engine for this kit, this is what I decided to do. And this, I've gone ahead and talked to Matthew at MCV Products and got that coming. And I think a Hemi is going to look good in this classic Mopar. And a Mopar just ain't right without a Hemi of this era. I don't know if I showed you these before, but the decals for this one actually look like they're in really good shape. But I've got a paint scheme in mind for this thing. Get these body panels out here a little bit. And I've got a paint scheme that I think the two colors are going to look really, really good together. I mean, just like with the 40, this stuff fit together beautifully. Had to put a little putty back here where these joints go together, but it's smoothed right out really, really good. But a good looking little car. But I also want to do a little detailing, I think around the brakes, stuff that's exposed and open like that. But I think this 36 Plymouth's going to look good. I had something else in mind for that, and I don't know yet what I'm going to end up doing there. But what I want your opinion on is give me an idea. What you think about that Hemi? I'm thinking that would be cool in something like this, and one of the things I'm wrestling with is whether to hog out those windows like a lot of them used to have. But let me know what you think. Sometimes the rear ends were bobbed, so I'm thinking about a lot of this stuff. So hey, I'm asking for your help, and yeah, let's see. And by the way, those decals that came in that for the pickup and the trailer for the 40, I am going to go ahead and send those to Terry and Patrice and have them duplicate those. That way I'll have an extra set in case these are a little on the old side. But look forward to getting back into another one of these. It may be a while. Like I said, I got a lot on the workbench for the next few months. Absolutely, for sure. Guys, that's it for this one. Again, leave me comments. Hey, if you want to suggest some other colors and stuff, something might get my attention. So be sure to mention that too. Okay, guys, that's it for this one. I hope y'all have an absolutely awesome week. I got to run by the hobby shop tomorrow, so I'll probably do a video because I understand there's some new stuff there. Probably something I'm not going to be able to live without, but I do need to pick up some paint and a couple of supplies. All right, guys. God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.